Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to enable Facebook professional mode on iPhone. So this is the iPhone interface, and from here you can click on menu on the lower right corner, and then you can click on your profile, and after that you have to click on the three dots right over here. And after clicking three dots, make sure to scroll all the way down and then click on turn on professional mode. Now click on turn on. After you click turn on, you'll be able to monetize your contents and earn from your profile. So let's click next, and you have to choose your default audience. After that you can choose next. You can then confirm, and then your default audience will be set to public, and then your monetization tools will be shown here. You can click on next again, and then next again. Now here, if you want to update your profile frame, you can click on add frame and share update to feed. Click on next. Otherwise, if you don't want to, you can click on skip. So after that, you can click on go to professional dashboard, and you'll be able to enable professional mode in your iPhone just like this. If you found this video helpful guys, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like these.